Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. If you're new here, I'm Kayi, and today I will be sharing another quick and very yummy recipe with you. You can pair this with rice or you can pair it with some baguette. Let me quickly show you the ingredients we're going to need for today's recipe. 5 carrots, 1.5 tablespoons of tomato puree. We're going to need about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, red and green pepper, half of each, half of the onion, and I will be adding 1 jumbo cube. Let's get started. I'm going in now with the oil, followed by 1.5 tablespoons of tomato puree. Stir gently and cook that for 3 minutes, and add blended ginger, garlic, tomatoes and onion. I'm going in now with the powdered ginger, onion, garlic, and I'm going to stir everything nicely and let it cook properly for 15 minutes. Our star ingredients today is the garden peas, 290 grams, and I will be adding the carrots and also the peppers. So after 15 minutes, I'm going in now with the chopped onions, the peppers and also the carrots. After that, I'm going to let this cook a little bit more, like say roughly 5 minutes, and I can go in with the peas. After cooking that for 5 minutes, I'm going to add a little bit of oil and add the garden peas. Make sure like you strain it so you don't have loads of water that comes with it before adding it to the tomato, the onions and everything, okay? If it's your first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on so you can be notified when I drop another yummy recipe right here. The peas are very soft because it's cooked already, so you don't want to stir this too much to mash it up. That's how I like it. I want the chunkiness of it in the stew, so make sure like you don't go in too hard. Just be gentle about it and let this here on the stove for another 5 minutes. Just cover it up and let everything cook to perfection, and then you can serve the food. So I'm going to cover it right now, and feel free to add also some meat to it if you wish to, but today I'm not adding no meat. It's time to garnish our very delicious garden peas stew. So I'm adding just a little bit of spring onions, and from here I will just switch the stove off and serve the food. What do you think about today's recipe? Is this calling your name? Let's serve the food. This is the type of recipe that you can make under 30 minutes and everybody is going to love it. Look at the richness and how beautiful this garden pea stew is, and you can make this so easily and pair it with rice as well. And the next day when you're ready to go to work, you can just make a sandwich out of it by using a fresh baguette, and that as well you're going to love, friends. And now my food is ready. We say in Togo, midunulo, and that one is yours. And the next day I decided to pair this yumminess with fresh baguette, and that was so delicious. Will you pair this with rice or baguette? Let me know in the comment section, and you can throw in some beef, some chicken, or just have it exactly like this. Let me know what you think about today's quick and very yummy recipes. Thanks so much for coming back to my old subscribers and watching this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye. Au revoir.